Welcome. Today, we're diving into a useful feature on LinkedIn that allows you to search for messages in your spam folder on your PC. With the recent updates, this process has become even more straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look towards the bottom corner of the screen. You'll see the messaging icon, which looks like an envelope. Click on this icon to open your messaging inbox. Now that you're in the messaging section, focus on the search bar at the top of the page. To filter your messages effectively, locate the filter icon next to the search bar. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Spam. This action will filter your messages and display only those that have been marked as spam. It's an essential step because it helps you sift through unwanted messages quickly. Next, if you're looking for something specific within your spam messages, type what you're searching for into the search bar. This could be a keyword or the name of a contact. LinkedIn will then show you any relevant spam messages that match your search criteria. This feature is particularly handy for those who may have missed important communications that ended up in spam due to LinkedIn's filtering system. By following these steps, you can easily navigate through your spam messages and find what you need. Remember, LinkedIn is continuously updating its features to enhance user experience, so keep an eye out for new functionalities that may help streamline your networking efforts even further. That's it. Now you know how to search and spam messages on LinkedIn using your PC. This simple process can save you time and ensure you don't miss out on potentially important connections or information hidden in your spam folder. Happy networking!